And I have also asked you to send me the homework. Have you sent me? Has everyone sent me your homework? Is there anyone who has not sent me? Still can share with me by the evening. फिर भी क्लास चांस दे रही हूँ, अगर किसी बच्चे ने अपना वर्क मुझे सेंड नहीं किया है बच्चे, so you can send me by the evening. इसके बाद नहीं, क्योंकि already 2 days have passed. Right? So if you are doing your work, so why you are not sending your work for checking? So let's start our today's class. So everyone, I'm speaking again on your videos. I did with Piyush, Yakshit, Krishna, Manvi, Dhankot, Seerat, Navya, Prableen, everyone. Last time I'm saying बच्चे. Saksham. So today we are going to start a new topic. We have already done our division and checking part. We have spent almost 2 weeks on doing that part, right? हमने जितनी जब से हमारी classes start हुई है from 12, we are just doing the division and checking part. But today we are doing something different, right? But the checking must be there. So for this, you can open page number 72 from your book, and we are doing exercise 5F, right? Page number 72. I'll write page number on the board also. Page number 72, exercise 5F, right? So quickly open page number 72 from your math book. And I'll tell you which method we are going to work. देखने में ये some ऐसे लगेंगे जैसे हमने already किए हुए हैं, but this time we will do the different method, right? बस थोड़ा सा understand करने की need है. उस time you will just leave your pen pencil and concentrate on the board and just listen to me. So here first statement is, and no need for you to write the statement as you have book with yourself, right? So no need to write this statement, but I am writing it on the board. Find the quotient capital Q and remainder. Right? Write the quotient and the remainder. Also verify the answers. Also verify the answers. Obviously, Priyanka, you will do it in your notebooks. Side by side, we will also do in the book also, because we have the space given there. Firstly, we will do it in the notebooks, right? And we will learn how to solve these kinds of sum. A part is, or first is 75 divided by 10. So firstly, listen to me. Today we are going to do the method in which we will not do the division. Only in case of 10, right? जब भी आपको कभी division पे 10 दिया हो, so there is no need to do this division part. We can also do it in a simple way, which we are going to do now, right? And these kind of sums will be in your mental maths. कि आप easy way में कैसे कर सकते, right? See. So this is division of 75 by 10. इसमें हम क्या करेंगे? We have to find the quotient and remainder, but without dividing. Clear? We are going to find its quotient and remainder without dividing. How? Just remember one thing in your mind. अभी 10 के पीछे कितने digit, कितने zero होते हैं? How many digits are there in the 10? Quickly write in the chat box. We'll go very slow and I'll repeat again and again. अगर नहीं भी समझ आएगा हम बार-बार करेंगे. But don't get panic. यक्षित 10 के पीछे 2 zeros होती हैं. Yes, 1. आंसर 7 पता नहीं क्यों लिखा है किसी ने. So there is only 1 0 and 10. So इसमें there is a logic. If there is 1 0 and 10, it means जो एक last वाला digit है ना हमारे पास, that will be the remainder. ये हमारे पास 10 के पीछे अगर एक 0 है ना तो हम ये कंसीडर करेंगे कि जो last digit है ना that will be the remainder, और जो भी left digit होगा that will be the quotient. Clear? This is very simple. But this method could be followed only when if there is a division of 10. बस ये देखना है कि 10 के पीछे एक 0 आती है, 1 digit, ये कंसीडर करेंगे माइंड में कि 1 digit, ठीक है, लास्ट 1 digit, right? And here, यहाँ पे last 1 digit, the remainder will be 5 and the quotient is 7, right? And now you can check it by doing your division. अभी साइड में डिवीजन हम मेन पार्ट में नहीं करेंगे, साइड में डिवीजन करके मुझे बताओ क्या सच में इसका क्वोशिएंट 7 और रिमाइंडर 5 है? क्विकली, दैट विल बी नॉट इन योर मेन पार्ट, सिर्फ अपने लिए और मेरे लिए डिवीजन करके बताओ. राघव बच्चे डोंट राइट आंसर्स सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ सम. आई नो कि आपको आ गया है, दैट्स वेरी गुड, बट डोंट गो टू फास्ट. बाकी भी कर रहे हैं ना? यस, अभिनव हैज रिटन यस, समीर यस. आ रहा है ना, साइड पे डिवीजन करके देखो, इतना ही आ रहा है, रिमाइंडर 5 और क्वोशिएंट 7. यस धनकौर, आई एम रिपीटिंग अगेन. So this is the method. इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, बस सिंपल वे में we will write quotient is 7, remainder is 5. So you can also fill these two things in your book also, because there are 2 columns are given, right? So 2 columns are there, quotient and remainder. Side by side, fill it in your book also, but we will do the complete sum in notebook also, because we have to do the checking part. The statement is verify your answers. So in book there is no space, so how we will verify, right? For this we will need notebook. So here आप ऐसे सर्कल नहीं लगाओगे, मैं just अंदर को समझाने के लिए कि जो लास्ट डिजिट होगा हमारे पास that will be the remainder, और जो भी हमारे पास बचेगा वो हमारे पास क्या होगा, क्वोशिएंट. अभी लिखना मत, आई एम चेकिंग सेकंड सम, डोंट राइट. एक और सम मैं ले रही हूं, 355 डिवाइडेड बाय 10. अब इसको भी हम डिवाइड नहीं करेंगे, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू डिवाइड दिस विद 10, वी विल डू इट इन आवर माइंड, राइट? सो इन 10 देयर इज ओनली 1 डिजिट with 0, there is only 1 0. बस यहाँ पे भी we will consider last digit as remainder and the left digits will be its quotient. It means this time quotient is 35. बस आपने ये माइंड में रखना है, जो लास्ट डिजिट होगा, very last digit, that will be the remainder, और जो भी हमारे पास बचेगा, whether there are 2 digits, 3 digits, that will be the quotient. Clear? I'll again explain if you are not clear, no problem, क्योंकि नई चीज को ऑप्ट करने में obviously you will take time. ठीक है? So this is the first sum, this is the second sum. Yes, Navya, good. Quotient is 35, remainder is 5. Just आपने ये सोचना है कि अगर हमने कभी भी किसी नंबर को 10 के साथ डिवाइड करना है ना, तो उस नंबर का जो लास्ट डिजिट होगा, only last, that will be the remainder, और जितने भी बच जाएंगे ना, the left digits, left number, that will be the quotient. Clear? Now I am taking one more example for you. 4553 divided by 10. अब जिनको समझ आ गया, please tell me इसमें remainder क्या होगा और quotient क्या होगा? नहीं आएगा, then I am there, I will explain. Those who get to know कि कैसे करना है, so tell me. So what will be the remainder in this sum and quotient without dividing? We can easily say. Krishnam has written, that's wrong. Abhinav, right. Bhargavi, right. You are just writing remainder. Very good, Raghav. If you have done these sums, just write its answer. Mabel, right. अवलीन, आस्तिक, राइट. यस, अभी एक बच्चे ने कंप्लीट आंसर लिखा था, नेम ऊपर चला गया. वेट, Shivang, Samri, your answer is complete. Very good. Yes, sir, Sirat. So this time 3 is remainder. Only the last digit will be considered as remainder, bache. Only the last digit we will consider as remainder. And the left digits, left number we have is 455. So 455 will be the quotient. But this thing we will apply only in case of 10. Right? So these kind of sums can be in the mental maths, जहाँ पे आपको big number के साथ 10 की division आ सकती है, and it will be asked that write the quotient. And for that you will not need to do full division, you will do it in your mind कि इसमें अगर 10 के साथ division है, last digit हमारा remainder होगा और आगे वाला digit क्या होगा? Quotient. Now has you understood everyone? Show me a thumbs up or you can write okay ma'am या understood है कुछ भी chat box में done ma'am लिख दो, so I'll get to know that you have understood. और side by side जब हम explain way में sum करेंगे then I'll explain again, right? This is just the overview of the topic. Okay Vanshika, Priyanka, no worry Priyanka, दोबारा हम कर रहे हैं. Navya, okay, yes, very good. So now I am erasing this all. एक छोटा सा overview मैंने आपको दे दिया, छोटा सा तो नहीं, complete way में दे दिया. Now we are going to do sums, okay? अब उसमें आपको और clarity हो जाएगी. So this was the first sum and the rest I am erasing. Now you can start writing in your notebook. So this is the first sum, 75 divided by 10. 75 divided by 10. So I am going to explain it again. So here we have to divide the number by 10. And when there is an option that we have to divide by 10, so what we will do, we will just do the calculation in our mind. We will take that number, 75 is given, we will take this number, last digit will be considered as remainder, only last one digit. And the left digits will be considered as quotient. Simple. Just last digit को हम remainder के way में लेंगे. ठीक है? So in this sum simply we will write 75. So solution part you can write in your book. Quotient is 7. Remainder is 5. And you know dividend is this, divisor is this. So we can do checking because they have told verify your answers. For verification, we are doing checking, right? ID with Ekveer Singh, बच्चे unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the checking formula?
Ma'am, capital D is equal to quotient multiplied by small d plus remainder.
Okay. What is capital D? What we call capital D? Are you muted? Yes, Ekveer again. Unmute.
Ma'am, dividend.
Yes, dividend. And आपने बोला ना capital D, that's why I'm clearing. So what is small d?
Divisor.
Divisor. Yes, good. Now mute yourself. So here there कुछ भी given नहीं है कि which is capital D, but you know the number which is being divided and the big number is known as capital D. So here 75 is dividend. Quotient we have find out 7. Divisor is 10. Remainder is 5. Clear? Now firstly we will do multiplication. 75 here and 7 multiplied by 10 is 70 plus 5. After doing multiplication we will add these numbers. 75 is equals to 75. So now our sum is done. But here only one new thing is that we have not done here division part. Why we have not done division part? Because there is 10 and in case of 10 we can simply find which is quotient and remainder. उसके लिए हमें इतनी big division करने की अगर कर भी दोगे नो प्रॉब्लम, बट दिस इज द सिंपल वे। ओनली इन केस ऑफ 10 मैं बार-बार बोल रही हूँ। अगर आप किसी और वे में कर लोगे, अगर आपको कभी ऐसे दिया हो 75 डिवाइड बाय 15, इसमें अगर आप लिख दो रिमाइंडर क्वोशिएंट, दैट इज रॉन्ग। इसमें नहीं लिख सकते आप, बिकॉज हियर इज 15, सो फॉर दिस वी नीड 10, राइट। मेंटल मैथ्स में जिसमें हमें इतना टाइम नहीं लगाना होता, विद इन फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकंड्स हमें आंसर करना होता है, so this method will be applicable there without checking, because in mental maths checking will not be asked. So completed. We will move to the next sum. जितने सम इस क्लास में हो जाएंगे फाइन, जितने रह जाएंगे you will do it by yourself. Clear? और उसकी आप चेकिंग मत करना, हार्डली इट विल टेक 5 मिनट्स, मैक्सिमम 5 मिनट्स अगर आप सारे भी करोगे विदाउट चेकिंग बोल रही हूँ। Now second sum. I'll take sums randomly. So second sum is 100 divided by 10. Now quickly tell me quotient and remainder. Quickly. No problem, Simmerpreet, but this is the method in case of division that we need no division. Page number I have written on the board, Arpit. Kindly see from the board. I have written. So quickly write quotient. Bhargavi wrong. Yakshit right. Sameer right. Shivang right. Bhargavi अच्छे से understand करो. Avya, Josna, Astik right. Everyone is giving me right answers. Good. Yes, Anhad, Amleen, Arav, very good. So in this, जो बस सिंपल से वे में the last digit we will consider as remainder, और जो भी बाकी बच जाएंगे हमारे पास, that will be our quotient. Simple. We will consider the last digit as remainder. So in the easy way में within 1 second we can write quotient and remainder. Now quickly do checking part. Quickly. You will do by yourself. And I'll ask from one student. ID with Saksham Dhingra, unmute yourself. And on your video, Saksham. Firstly, unmute. Quickly, बच्चे, don't waste time.
Yes, ma'am.
Why your video is off, Saksham?
मैम मैं अभी सम कर रहा था, सॉरी मैम।
So सम तो मैं भी कर रही हूँ ना Saksham, तो मैंने वीडियो ऑफ की थी, बाकी बच्चे भी कर रहे हैं इतने अच्छे वे से. So don't keep your video off. Now tell me checking formula section.
मैम डिविडेंड इज इक्वल टू क्वोशिएंट डिवाइड डिवाइजर प्लस रिमाइंडर।
मल्टीप्लाई बोले बीच, जल्दी से बोलने के चक्कर में यू हैव नॉट, आपने मल्टीप्लिकेशन वर्ड नहीं बोला ना, दोबारा बोलो।
मैम डिविडेंड इज इक्वल टू क्वोशिएंट डिवाइड डिवाइजर प्लस रिमाइंडर।
आप डिवाइड बोल रहे हो, मल्टीप्लिकेशन
मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइजर प्लस रिमाइंडर।
स्पीक अगेन क्विकली।
डिविडेंड इज इक्वल टू क्वोशिएंट मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइजर प्लस रिमाइंडर।
नाउ दैट्स फाइन। अच्छे से, मुझे पहले भी आप डिवाइड बोल रहे थे, सो देयर इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन। नाउ म्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड कीप योर वीडियो ऑन। So others, have you done checking? Those who have done can show me in front of the camera. ID with Prabhu Arora, bache, you are not doing. Show me your notebook, ID with Prabhu Arora, if you have done. You have done checking part also? Have you done? Just show me your thumbs up. Okay, that's fine. If you have done, then very good. So here, dividend is 100. Quotient is 10. Divisor is 10. This is dividend and this is divisor. 10 plus remainder is 0. Now here remainder is 0. Very good, Astik. You have done good sum. So firstly we have to multiply 10, multiply 10. So you know 10 times are 100. checking the notebook. एक student था, I don't know his or her name, so he has skipped this step. ये वाला step नहीं किया, सिर्फ ये करने के बाद directly ये. So don't skip any step, right? कोई भी step आप skip नहीं करोगे because each step carries marks. हर step के अपने marks होंगे, so don't skip this step. जिसकी भी नोटबुक थी मैंने उनको लिखा जरूर है, सो काइंडली आप अपनी मिस्टेक को करेक्ट कर लें. नाउ मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट सम. नेक्स्ट इज सी 615 divided by 10. Quickly you will tell me quotient and remainder. And I'll ask for one student side by side. You write in the chat box. ID with Samar Parmar.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Bache. So what is the quotient in this sum?
61.
61. Very good. And remainder?
5.
5. Okay. Now also speak the checking formula.
Dividend equal to quotient multiply divisor plus remainder.
Very good. Now do it in your notebook also. Yes, Josna. Right. We are right. Good. Everyone. So capital D, you know, this is capital D. Now quickly do checking part in your notebooks. I am not going to solve. You will do checking part by yourself. I am just filling the terms. 615, quotient is 61, divisor is 10, and remainder is 5. And जो multiplication chapter आया था, मैंने easy way में आपको बताया था, जब आपको ऐसे जीरो वाले के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करनी पड़ती है तो आप फुल मल्टीप्लिकेशन नहीं करोगे. ये भी प्रॉपर्टी बताई थी ना. You will just multiply 61 by 1. We'll get 61 और एक जीरो है, just write 0 like this. Simple. Multiplication का चैप्टर भी भूलना नहीं है. That we have done in PT1, right? So don't waste time in doing the full calculation of these kinds of terms. Simply put zeros जब भी आपका जो भी आंसर आ जाए. Complete this. एक और टर्म, एक और सम आई एम राइटिंग ऑन द बोर्ड. आप इसे खुद कंप्लीट करोगे और उसी बीच आई विल सेंड यू अटेंडेंस. 4560. ID with Bhavesh Saini.
Yes, ma'am.
क्वेश्चन क्या होगा इसमें?
बताओ. Quotient.
What will be the
Quotient.
quotient? Don't take anyone's help. बच्चे जो नहीं आता just tell me, but don't take anyone's help. Quotient क्या होगा इसमें?
65.
456.
Speak again.
Quotient 456.
Yes, 456. And remainder will be?
Remainder 0.
Yes, remainder is 0. Also speed checking formula.
Formula बोलो.
Formula
अभी नहीं
Yes.
बोलना.
C.
quotient
Uh,
dividend
ना टाइम लगा रहे हो.
quotient multiply
अच्छे से बोलो. Dividend is equals to
dividend equal to quotient multiply divisor plus remainder.
yes. अच्छे से लर्न करो बच्चे. इतनी बार हमने कर लिया. सक्षम क्या कर रहे हो चार्जर के साथ? आप बोल नहीं सकते. यू आर म्यूटेड. चार्जर वगैरह अपनी मम्मा को दे दो, वो हैंडल कर लेंगे. यू जस्ट कंसंट्रेट हियर. So complete both these sums with checking. And I'm watching you all. Two sums I have written on the board. Just complete its checking part. So those who have done can write done, ma'am, in the chat box. Otherwise, I'm giving you time. So have you done? Mostly students are writing done. That's good. Harshit Burmani, shall I put you in the waiting room? You have kept your video off. Next time, Astik. Okay, mostly you are done. So I am erasing. Now two more sums I'll give you and you will do it by yourself. That will be your practice too. C and D we have done and next part. First is E. Next is F. ये बुक वाले बच्चे अपने आप कंप्लीट कर लेना. आई एम गिविंग यू स्टेटमेंट फ्रॉम माय साइड. ठीक है, क्योंकि आपके लिए भी कुछ एक्स्ट्रा वर्क होना चाहिए बिकॉज़ देयर इज संडे टुमारो. सो फ्रॉम बुक यू विल डू इट बाय योरसेल्फ. अभी साथ में क्लास में भी आप कर सकते हो. हार्डली इट विल टेक 2 or 3 minutes. So I am giving you statement. So complete both these sums. Yes, Astik, unmute yourself. Yes, Arpit, in notebook. Astik, unmute yourself. Bache, I have given you permission. Harshvini, I listen nothing from you because you have kept your video.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. So checking formula.
Dividend equal quotient multiply divisor plus remainder.
Yes, good. Dividend is equals to quotient multiply divisor plus remainder. So complete these two sums. I'm just trying to paste the attendance link. I'm unable to do, but I'm trying again. Otherwise, I'll take screenshot from the screen, right? बाद में मैं मार्क कर लूंगी अपने आप अटेंडेंस. और जिनकी वीडियो ऑन होगी सिर्फ उनकी मार्क होगी. Wait, Japanjot. Yes, unmute, Japanjot.
मैम 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 वो डी सम की स्टेटमेंट क्या थी?
ठीक है बच्चे, अब मुझे ऐसे याद नहीं है मैंने क्या लिखा था. If any student can write in the chat box, I'll speak. What was D sum? और आपने जपनजोत क्लास छोड़ के भागना नहीं है, ठीक है? जस्ट बी कॉन्फिडेंट इन योरसेल्फ. आपने जो सम किया होगा राइट होगा, ठीक है? आपने इधर उधर भागना नहीं है किसी को शो करने, क्योंकि मैं सॉल्व कर रही हूँ. डी सम था हमारे पास बच्चे 4,560 divided by 10. Thank you everyone who has written. Yes, 4,560 divided by 10. Just be still, Japanjot. आप पूरी क्लास में ऐसे बैठोगे. Okay, has everyone done? हरमनप्रीत कौर, आईडी भी हरमनप्रीत कौर है, लेकिन नाम ये नहीं है, इसलिए आपको पता नहीं चल रहा मैं किसको बोल रही हूँ. I have met you in the PTM. Yes. What's your name, बच्चे?
सॉरी मैम, मेरा नाम राजकमल सिंह है
राजकमल.
मैम. मैं ना रीनेम करना भूल गया.
No problem. You are looking tensed. Is there any problem regarding these
मैम
sums?
मैं ना रीनेम.
No problem.
मैम नो.
So do your sums, बच्चे, quickly. So complete both these sums with checking. I'm on site, बच्चे. Board is clearly visible, दिया. Quickly, those who have done, write in the chat box. Done. Dhankor done. Arav done. Very good. Just wait, बच्चे. Saksham, I'm just trying to paste the link. So I have sent you the link. Firstly, mark your attendance. Quickly. We are left with 3 minutes. Jaldi say within 1 minute, mark your attendance and we will discuss these sums. Wait, Saksham. Yes, speak.
मैम ये जो आप सम्स करा रहे हो मैम, ये हमें अपनी फेयर नोटबुक पे करने हैं?
फिर जो बच्चे आपकी क्लास वर्क नोटबुक है उस पे, और जो बाकी
ये
सारे
जो आपने अभी
E और नोटबुक, क्लास वर्क नोटबुक पे,
ये दोनों सम मैम?
दोनों.
ओके.
ID with Samreet Kaur, unmute yourself.
Yes ma'am.
Have you done, बच्चे?
Yes ma'am.
So what is the question part in E part? Tell me. What is the question here?
35.
Very good. And remainder?
5.
5. Yes. And have you done the checking part also?
Yes ma'am.
Very good. Mute yourself. ID with Jashdeep. Don't off your video because you are eating. are you eating बच्चे during the class? Are you hungry? Speak बच्चे, I can listen to you. और आप अभी भी खा रहे हो? Speak. Rashdeep, shall I put you in the waiting room? Speak. Now, if you are eating, then let it be finished. अब इसे finish करो, जो भी मुंह में है. Next time, I will not let you do this. Complete your sum. Have you done? Show me your notebook in front of camera. Okay, attendance done. One more student. Bhargavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Bhargavi, in the F part, what is the question? Tell me the question part.
Ma'am, the question is 205.
Yes, good. And remainder is
1.
1. And have you done the checking part?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you done the checking part?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. ID with Mannat Batra. Have you done both the sums, Mannat?
Yes, ma'am.
मैंने कहा था कि अभी तो मैं ये कर रहा हूँ.
बच्चे, मैं आपको सुन रही हूँ पूरा. You are discussing with your mother. Just talk to me. Have you done? Yes or no? कहाँ भाग गए मन्नत? Next time I will not take your name, Mannat. So this was all from my side for today's class, right? So today we have completed exercise 5F, and the left sums you will do it by yourself, right? जब भी class finish हो and when you get the time, आप अच्छे से इसको fill कर लेना, quotient and remainder part.